Hello and welcome to the Influencers Online Social Entrepreneurship Curriculum. This is the video for Module 4 Unit 1, and in this unit you will learn how to use ubiquitous social media platforms as support environments for online social enterprises. Let's get started. Social media platforms play a significant role in current society as people spend an increasing amount of their day online rather than in physical stores, making social media the main drivers of success and impact. As social media platforms are not hampered by physical limitations, the content strength is what keeps people interested and engaged. These platforms provide a richer and more immediate engagement method with your target groups, as all interactions happen online and they can be recorded to provide insight for analysis. Social media is important for any business, but even more important for social enterprises. Communication is a non-negotiable necessity for social enterprises as their mission goes beyond purely achieving profit. Seamless communication can be easily achieved by using a wide range of social media platforms that are specifically structured for their immediacy and ease of use. Social media reach is the total number of users that see the content displayed across different social media platforms. To measure the reach of different social media outlets, you can look at the number of followers, the percentage of followers who see what you have posted, and people's engagement with content, such as comments, likes, inquiries, or shares. You can measure your social media outlet reach through key performance indicators like how many followers each platform has, how many times your posts show up on a timeline or newsfeed, or the amount of traffic that reaches your website from your social media campaigns. Social media engagement elements include post visibility, likes, shares, comments, replies, and mentions. Social media trends are trends that appear on social media platforms. According to Forbes, the biggest social media trends of 2019 were influencer marketing, big data, Instagram stories, and chatbots, and artificial intelligence. Facebook is currently the most ubiquitous global social media platform with around 2.23 billion monthly active users. It has expanded into many different territories since its early days, now providing news, recommendations, games, communication options, in addition to simply keeping you in contact with your friends. YouTube is another ubiquitous social media platform with almost 1.9 billion monthly active users. It is purely a video sharing platform and the second biggest search engine after Google. Google owns both YouTube and Gmail, and as 20% of total email users are Google, this makes YouTube easier to access. Instagram is a microblogging and video sharing app where people can upload photos, text embedded in photos, and videos, sharing them with their followers or with a selected group of friends. Users create their own profile and can post, like, follow, reply, and share posts or stories, which disappear after 24 hours, to the friends list or by using hashtags. There is also a direct messaging function. It currently has roughly 1 billion monthly active users. Twitter is a microblogging and social networking service on which users post and interact with tweets, messages of up to 280 characters, including references such as hashtags and @. Users create their own profile and can post, like, follow, reply, and retweet tweets or hashtags. It currently has roughly 335 million monthly active users. Pinterest is a social media network, one in which users can discover new things and be inspired, and it allows users to share images associated with projects, goods, and services, and it currently has 250 million monthly active users. The difference between Pinterest and other social media sites is the focus on discovery rather than engagement. LinkedIn is a business and employment-oriented service connecting professionals from all around the world. It currently has 294 million monthly active users. It is as diversified as business with revenues from membership subscriptions, advertising sales, and recruitment solutions. Your social enterprise doesn't need all of these platforms. You should identify the nature of your product, the specific objectives and larger goals of your enterprise, and your target audience. Social media branding is a method which helps enterprises to engage with and create or raise awareness of their business, product, etc. among customers and services using the correct social media platforms. To build your social media brand, you should always remember your target audience when determining your brand's voice. Think of and design a brand which represents your business and your philosophy. Think of your brand strategy and identify the ideal mix of social media platforms. Do not forget that the total size of overall engagement metrics of a social media platform's audience is paramount to getting your message out. Be as consistent as possible in all social media platforms, but use their diverse strengths to maximize impact. Track your metrics, perform experiments, and adjust your strategies or tactics according to evidence-based results. These are some different tools you can use to create content on social media platforms. Hashtag5.me is the most advanced Twitter hashtag tracking tool. It allows you to find the best hashtags to reach your audience, gives you custom suggestions, and helps you getting to know your influencers and competitors better. Anchor is the easiest way to make a podcast. It's the only app that lets you create and host unlimited episodes and distribute your show everywhere with a single tap. And Powtoon is a web-based animation software that allows users to create animated presentations by manipulating pre-created objects, imported images, provided music, and user-created voiceovers. You have now completed this short resource. Why not move on and check out Unit 2 of this module on the Influencers Project website at www.influencersproject.eu.